Hello everyone, and welcome to another episode of the Engagement Designer demo series. In this episode, we're going to show you how to open Breeze from Avaya System Manager. Here we're showing System Manager 8.0, and in this demo lab, I only have access to Avaya Breeze, so things might look a little different to somebody who has open access. So we're going to start by going to the Elements dropdown, and we'll see there's Avaya Breeze. And to start, we're going to go to the Avaya Breeze Cluster Administration. This will open a new tab within System Manager and show the cluster administration. In the cluster administration, we can see that there are two sets of clusters here. There's the Avaya cluster and the customer cluster. The Avaya cluster is meant for Avaya developed snap-ins that are meant to communicate with levels such as System Manager and Communication Manager. So developments and changes are not meant to be done within this cluster because this is meant to be managed by Avaya systems. The customer cluster is one that we will be able to edit within. That's the one where we're going to be able to do development on our own workflows and be able to edit and design workflows using the Engagement Designer tool. I'd also like to point out here that we can see there's the certificate management. This is something that'll become very important later down the road of development, because this is where you need to add certificates if you do things like third-party integrations. So if you do something with like an external database or something that may require an external certificate, this is where you're going to do the addition of that certificate. So to start, within the cluster administration here, we have our dropdown off to the right. That gives us the option to either go straight to Admin Console or actually straight to the Designer tool, which is the Engagement Designer that shows the canvas and the development platform itself. I like to start by going off to the Admin Console, because in the Admin Console, that's where we get all of the access to make changes to some workflows that are already deployed, as well as make changes to the routing of certain workflows and the event catalog, as I mentioned in an earlier episode. So to start, we're going to click on the Admin Console tab, and this is going to open up a new tab within my browser, and by clicking Proceed, I can see that it opens the Administration Console. So that's the simple step of opening Engagement Designer for the very first time. In the next episode, we're going to show you how to use Administration Console, and more importantly, how to use each one of these tabs within Administration Console.